In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create links on Squarespace in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to link to another page on your site, an external website, or even an email address, mastering how to add links to your text can significantly improve the navigational experience of your website. Not to mention it can help with SEO and guide your visitors to important content or external resources. So let's roll up our sleeves and dive right in. First things first, we'll need to navigate to the Squarespace website. This is where all the magic begins. Open up your favorite web browser and type in Squarespace's URL, or simply search for Squarespace on your search engine of choice. Once you've arrived at the Squarespace homepage, you'll find yourself facing the gateway to one of the most intuitive web design platforms out there. The next step is to log into your Squarespace account. Look for the login button. Usually it's prominently displayed. Click on that and you'll be taken to the login screen. Here's a pro tip. If you've got a lot of online accounts and dread remembering all the different passwords, Squarespace offers a handy solution. You can simply click on Continue with Google for a swift login process, bypassing the need to remember another password. After you've clicked on Continue with Google, a list of your Google accounts will appear. Click on the account you wish to use for Squarespace. This is particularly useful if you manage multiple accounts or have a separate account for your business. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Squarespace dashboard. Here, you'll see an overview of your Squarespace sites. Click on the website you want to work on. If you're like many of us who dabble in multiple projects, make sure to select the correct website to avoid any confusion. Now let's get to the main task at hand, editing your website to add links. On your website's dashboard, look for and click on the Edit button. This typically takes you to the back end of your Squarespace site where all the content magic happens. To add a link, navigate to the page you wish to edit and click on the text where you want the link to be placed. It might be a word, a phrase, or even a whole paragraph. After clicking on the text, you'll notice an editing bar pops up. Look for the icon that resembles a link chain, usually referred to as the link icon. This little icon is your gateway to adding hyperlinks to your text. Click on it and a new menu will appear. In this new window, you will see a field where you can type in or paste the URL you wish to link to. Take a moment to ensure you've got the correct URL. A common mistake is accidentally linking to the wrong page or site, which can be confusing or frustrating for your visitors. Once you've entered the correct URL, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which should be prominently displayed in the dialog box after you've entered your URL. Click on Save to confirm the addition of your new link, and just like that, you've successfully added a hyperlink to your Squarespace site. Remember, the key to a great user experience is not just adding links, but making sure they point to relevant and useful content that enriches your visitor's journey on your site. Whether you're linking to more information on your own site or to external references, ensuring the content is valuable and relevant is crucial. To wrap up, adding links to your Squarespace site is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your website's functionality and visitor experience. By following the steps we've outlined today, you can easily connect your audience to a wealth of information and resources, making your website not just a destination, but a gateway to the broader digital world. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to experiment with different types of links and see what works best for your site and your audience. And there you have it. Thanks to Squarespace's user-friendly interface, adding links is straightforward and hassle-free. Thank you for joining me today. Whether you're polishing your existing Squarespace site or building a new one from scratch, the skills you've learned today will surely enhance your website's interactivity and usability. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep creating.